Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the font style or how to change the font on your Canva docs on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to change the text font on the Canva docs. So you just need to, first of all, you just select the text. You just need to change the font. If you just need to change the whole text, you just select everything. So if you are just going to change the first text of this, and here you have an option on the top font. Click on this, and now you have option called text style. Just switch to the font. So here you can find different type of font from, you can just scroll down and you can find all the font. And then if you just need to search some font, you can just search here. For an example, here I just going to search as this is my favorite font. You can just choose it and you can just change this font. So otherwise you just select it, you can just change a different fonts like this. You can just use different for every font. For example, here I'm just going to choose this font for this, and here there is a lot of font, there is a lot of options like scribble and like handwriting like this. You can just signature like that, lot of different font. You can just switch every font. You can just create your own different style of text, and also your document can be carried out with a different font if you just need it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.